Hi Byrdie, my name is Chad Wood. I'm a celebrity hairstylist, and I'm gonna show you 5 things in my kit that I cannot live without, even though it was very difficult to narrow down to 5 things, but somehow we did it. My number 1 pick has got to be my GHD Gold Flat Iron. This flat iron is everything to me. It creates a loose wave, a tight curl, a bend, that effortless beachy hair that every single girl wants, and or guy. I mean, I used to have long hair. But this guy's really great. It's got nanotechnology, so the plates aren't gonna burn your hair. It can sense like what type of hair you have and goes straight to the temperature that you need to get that perfect curl without damaging your hair. It also comes with this amazing little case, so when I'm in a rush, I throw it on, put it in my kit. It's not gonna melt anything. I don't have to fuss with it. Next, we have my Redken. This is a dry texturizing powder, and it's honestly my favorite. It's got charcoal in it, and it's a little different than other dry texturizers. It's not gonna junk up your hair. The charcoal's gonna go in and it's gonna soak up all those oils, and it's gonna soak up any unnatural things that are in your hair and like revitalize your hair. It's gonna give you a little bit of volume. You can sprinkle it on your ends, blow dry it through, and you have fresh hair on your 7th day, which we all need that because we don't have time to wash our hair. I really love this stuff. It's so user-friendly and it doesn't leave any white powdery substance in your hair. It's the best. Next, we're gonna go with my Redken One United Spray. This is your everything spray. It's your detangling spray, it's your protectant spray, it's hydrating. You can put it in before you blow dry your hair. It's gonna give you more shine, heat protection, color safe. I do my wet looks with it, I do my dry looks with it. Honestly, it's everything to me. It just hydrates your hair and your hair soaks it up. It's light, it's color friendly. You need it. I love it. It's great. Next, I'm gonna go with something that's more for me. It could be for you if you check it out. This is my Sicily Floral Spray. This is amazing. Between clients, I spray this all over my face. I'm gonna spray it on my face right now because it's I feel peaceful when I do that. And I look dewy, and that's really great. So this is a toning floral spray. This is gonna hydrate, make you look dewy, make you look gorgeous, even though I'm running in between clients and it's quite miserable. But I love it, it's so cool. Next, we're gonna go into my favorite clips ever. Some of you know what these are, some of you don't. But these are like a Parisian hair clip. They do not add a crease to your hair. You know, sometimes when you clip your hair back, you get that little crease. This is gonna eliminate that. Mainly people use it to pull the hair out of the face so they can do their makeup. But as a stylist, this is like a personal assistant to the things that you cannot do and could never figure out how to do. I'll take my GHD flat iron, do a curl, pin it, do another curl, pin it, and I'll loosen the wave. So you really can mold and build your own kind of style with these clips. Even though these are my secret weapon, I'm gonna tell you guys where to get these. You can get them at Ricky's, you can get them at Amazon. They're my favorite thing. Try them out, play with your hair. I promise you, you're gonna love them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very excited that I got to share these amazing products with you. I hope some of them helped you. Thank you so much, Byrdie. Hope you guys have a good one.